Welcome to my Glamour Chronicles channel, the ultimate destination for captivating biographies of all lady models. Riley Wright is widely recognized as one of the most successful and influential figure in the adult entertainment industry. Born in Miami Beach, Florida, she rose from humble beginners to become a celebrity name known for her professionalism, versatility, and influence in modern media. While her career has often attracted attention and controversy, Riley's journey is also a story of perseverance, strategy, career decisions, and personal growth beyond the spotlight. Riley Wright was born as Ashley Matthews on July 9, 1991, in Miami Beach, Florida. She grew up in a typical American household and had a relatively normal childhood. From an early age, she showed a unique confidence and curiosity that would later influence her career decisions. Although details about her early schooling are limited, it is known that Riley was an energetic, outgoing individual with a creative strategies that would serve her well in the future. Riley's upbringing was reportedly supportive, although, like many young adults, she faced challenges in finding her path and identity. She has often emphasized in interviews in importance of independence and self-discovery during her teenage years. This formative experience played a pivotal role in shaping her approach to career and life choices. Riley Wright entered the adult entertainment industry at the age of 19. She began her career working in smaller productions, learning the nurses of the industry, and gradually building her reputation from the beginning. Riley demonstrated professionalism, dedication, and a strong understanding of branding, traits that help her stand out in highly competitive environment. Her early work involved a mixture of solo project and collaboration with other emerging artists. During this phase, she focused on establishing her identity, understanding her audience, and navigation the challenges of demanding industry. Riley's approach to her work emphasized discipline and consistency, which would eventually lead to significant recognition. Riley Wright's rise to fame was marked by strategic career choice and a unique ability to connect with audience. Over a few years, her work gained widespread attention, and she became known not only for her performances but also for her charismatic personality and approachability. By her mid 20s, Riley had become a household name within the industry. By her mid 20s, Riley had become a household name within the industry. She began receiving accolades and awards, cementing her position as one of the leading figures in adult entertainment. Her growing popularity also attracted media attention, opening opportunities for interviews, guest appearances, and collaboration across different platforms. Throughout her career, Riley Wright has received numerous awards and nominations that recognized her talent, influence, and contributions to the industry. Some of the most notable accolades include multiple AVN awards, which are considered the Oscar of the adult entertainment world. This award highlighted not only her performances but also her ability to connect with fans and maintain professionalism reputation in addition to industry award. Riley has been recognized for her presence on social media platforms where she engages with millions of followers. Her online persona combines authenticity authenticity with energetic with strategic branding, making her one of the most influential figures in the field. Beyond individual achievement, Riley Wright's impact on the adult entertainment industry is significant. She is often credited with bringing a new level of professionalism, self-awareness, and audience engagement to her work. Many emerging performers cite her as an inspiration, notice her ability to balance career success with personal branding. Riley has also used her platform to speak on important industry topics, including performer rights, mental health, and the evolving landscape of digital content creation. Her influences extend beyond performance, shaping and culture and expectation with the industry. Despite her public career, Riley Wright has maintained a level of privacy regarding her personal life. She values independence, personal growth, and the pursuit of interest outside the industry. Interviews suggest that she is passionate about business, social media management, and mentoring younger performers seeking guidance. Riley's story is not just about fame or career success, it is also about resilience, adaptability, and the ability to navigate complex professional and social environments. Her approach to life beyond the industry reflects a desire for balance, personal fulfillment, and long term growth. Like many public figures, Riley has faced challenges and controversies throughout her career. These include public scrutiny, media attention, and the pleasure associated with maintaining a high profile career. However, Riley has consistently demonstrated resilience and professionalism meeting these challenges while continuing to grow her career. Her experiences highlight the complexity of working in a controversial field and the importance of strategic decision making, personal integrity, and self awareness. By addressing challenges head on and maintaining control over her narrative, Riley has become a role model for professionalism in her. Riley's journey offers lessons in personal growth, career strategy, and resilience. Her story inspires individuals to pursue their goals with confidence, adapt to challenging circumstances, and maintain professionalism even in challenging environment. She demonstrates the value of understanding one's audience, building a strong personal brand, and navigating career challenges with clarity and focus. Riley's evolution from a newcomer to an industry icon serves as a blueprint for those seeking success in competitive and high pressure fields. Life and career illustrated a multifaceted journey of ambition, resilience, and strategic growth. From her early life in Miami Beach to becoming one of the most recognized figures in the adult entertainment industry. Her story encompasses challenges, achievements, and personal development. Through her career, Riley has influenced the industry, inspired fans and peers, and demonstrated that success is not merely about talent, it is about professionalism, adaptability, and the ability to navigate life both in and beyond the public eye. Riley's biography serves as a testament to determination, strategic thinking, and the pursuit of personal and professional growth. Her story continues to inspire countless individuals, making her an unforgettable figure in contemporary media. Stay connected for more inspiring model stories. Follow my Glamour Chronicles for more beauties and inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.